Dinner time. I'm making chicken stroganoff. I have some finely chopped, the way I wanted it, garlic and onion. I don't know how much garlic, but as much as you can, because Filipinos love fresh garlic. Just saute the garlic until it's fragrant, and then onion. This one until translucent. It is super hot in Rockhampton today. I think I wasn't here all day, but it's hot when I came back from Yeppoon. Yeppoon is super hot as well. I added some cracked pepper. I couldn't take a proper video of it because I'm multitasking. My hands is really busy. We got the chicken. I can smell the onion burning. I think it's the onion or the garlic. Not sure. But it is burning a little bit. It's okay. I'll just saute that until it's golden brown. I'm not sure if the mushroom is still okay to eat, but yeah, bahala na si Lord sa amin. Just kidding. I just added probably 2 to 3 tablespoons of, what do you call that, sour cream. As much as your heart desire. I don't know if you want it watery or what, but that's how much I wanted it. I've added some of these. I'm not gonna pronounce it. My mouth is just gonna have a hard time. Salt. I don't have any more. That shall do, and then done dinner. I'm just gonna pick up my eldest son now and serve dinner for all the children. I came from Yeppoon and then went to the shop, did a grocery find. I was looking for a certain book, but I couldn't find it, so I got another book that I find interesting, and then done some groceries, picked up one of my child at the shop, and came home, and then took the other children to the park, the nearby park, while I do my running and walking at the same time. So I'm exhausted. I'm gonna have a sleep tonight. Hopefully good sleep, and yeah, probably gonna be snoring. It's gross. May have a good Saturday. Is it Saturday? Yes, Saturday. Sunday tomorrow. Ciao.